Bag is not mine.
Just to let y'all know, it's not my bag.
Right. Oh my God, you really are about to smoke it.
Or eat it.
Hey, let me see what happens when you smoke it. Let me see. Let me look it up before you.
Yeah, look that up
Let me
first.
look this up before you fucking cook yourself into a goddamn realm. Let me see.
It doesn't smell bad. Oh, that smells kind of good.
Hang on. Can you smoke?
Cicada.
Smoke.
Our little experiment. Is it cooked now? Oh, it smells good on that apple. Maybe I need to turn it over.